Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning, and turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert seeing a pretty active and wet start to our Monday morning so far.
Very wet, very active, especially for the Rogue Valley this morning, where that's actually where some of the heaviest rainfall is. You can see some of these yellows that are embedded within this big mass of rain and snow, and that is indicative of some heavy rainfall. Now, most of the snow is likely falling in elevations above 5,000 feet for this morning, although down towards Mount Shasta City, we could see a little bit more in the way of snow mixing in throughout the course of the day. So let's go ahead and plot out the day with Stormcast, and we'll stop this right around lunchtime. You can see that the activity on the radar is going to be a little bit more scattered in nature, and that trend will continue into this afternoon and evening. Now, we will have more thunderstorms firing up, but again, just coverage is going to be a little bit more scattered compared to what we're seeing for this morning. Then I think as we head into the middle to late evening, most of this will taper off, and most of us should be dry come time for midnight. Here's some of these water projections we're expecting, this should say through tonight. And so for inland areas, we could have anywhere between 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. But along the coast, we're actually going to be rendered pretty dry from the storm system. I'd be surprised if we got anything above 1/10 of an inch of water. So for today, for the Rogue Valley, here's your outdoor dining forecast. Just 2 stars for both lunch and dinner time, just because high temperatures today are going to be so below average, and you will have to dodge some showers and thunderstorms. So rain and thunderstorms are both going to be likely today for inland areas. It's more like just a chance for showers and thunderstorms along the coast. High temperatures today will be about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of the year, and the winds will add, I'm not even sure if you could technically call it a wind chill, but it'll feel a little crisp out there with the winds gusting mainly out of the south and southwest between 20 to 30 miles per hour, and that would be outside of the Rogue Valley. Then overnight, like you saw in Stormcast, most of us will dry out. The skies will essentially be partly cloudy for all of us, and it will be a little bit chilly overnight. In fact, some locations of the east side could be below freezing, and if any roadways overnight still have water on them, well, those roadways could turn slick or icy, so something to watch out for in our east side areas. But I think we're going to be above freezing for most of our west side valley locations, and then we'll be in the low 40s there along the coast in Brookings. And here's what I was trying to say a couple minutes back, okay? Today is not indicative of what we're going to have for the rest of the week, because we will have very warm temperatures, lots of sunshine, so great hiking weather once we get past today. So today is really the anomaly in the forecast, and after that we're going to be very dry and getting very warm. Back to seasonal values come time for pretty much for tomorrow, and then we're going to be way above average for Thursday, for Friday, and then by the time we're talking about Saturday and Sunday, well, forget about it. It's not going to feel like spring anymore. We're going to see that return to more summer-like weather. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll have the chance for showers and storms for today, and then after that, really nothing in the forecast. And you can pretty much say this exact same thing for Siskiyou County. Rain and thunderstorms likely for today, and then after that, nothing. Lots of sunshine and high temperatures, getting very warm towards the end of the week. And we are, I'm not sure if concern would be the right word, but we are definitely watching this weekend's forecast with great interest, because it's going to be so hot, so dry, and so windy. And when you have those 3 ingredients collaborating with each other, just makes us a little interested in the fire weather forecast. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, we'll have lots of melting of the snow over the next 7 days. And then for the Rogue Valley, pretty much the same thing I said for all the other forecast zones. Rain and thunderstorms likely for today, and then after that we're going to be warm and dry.